In this video, I want to show you how to reset the Wi-Fi of your HP DeskJet 4255e printer. If you're experiencing issues with it, if it's not connecting to your phone or to your Wi-Fi network or anything that's weird, I'll show you how to do a full reset. And after doing this, you'll have to reconnect your printer to your Wi-Fi network or your phone, okay? It will be like new. Over here, make sure that the printer is turned on, okay? That you see something on the screen over there. And you're gonna press at the same time on the Wi-Fi button and the X button over here, both at the same time for around 3 seconds until the power button starts blinking. So let me do it with you. I'm pressing both and I'm waiting. Okay, it starts blinking. I can lift my finger and now you just have to wait, okay? It takes just a few seconds and here we go. On the screen over here we can see the Wi-Fi logo starting its small animation and that the blue light over there is blinking. This means that it's currently in pairing mode. So this is it. I hope my video was helpful. Hopefully you don't have any issues after that. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.